Somewhere between the ocean and the land, late one night, scurrying around the sand, I searched for anything that would burn. Driftwood, cardboard, pickup sticks. I scavenged for hours for something to light, but there was nothing dry. But I was strong, willful, and resourceful, so I lit my stage of life, and before my own damned bonfire, I danced and danced like there was no tomorrow, and risked all the previous lies from yesterday. Oh my. Did I say I hopped a coastal freight train once? Oh, that was a beautiful ride into San Mateo when I was so wet behind the years, so young, so reckless, so very high. Oh yeah, I took that big dive. I laid it all out like I could fly. Hell, I didn't care if I made it out alive. But between you and me, my sweetheart wife, that was then and this is now, and I'm older and maybe a little wise. Today, I pray with all my heart, at least my fragile mind survives.